viewers, welcome to Mufti Farms YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be talking about the beautiful diamond doves. Please help me hit the subscribe button before we continue. Diamond doves are small, beautiful doves native to Australia. Here's some more information about them. 1. Appearance. They are named for the small, white diamond-shaped markings on their wings. These doves have a predominantly grayish-blue plumage, with shades of white and gray. 2. Size. Diamond doves are one of the smallest dove species, measuring around 7 inches in length. 3. Habitat. In the wild, they are found in various habitats, including grasslands, scrublands, and open woodlands across Australia. 4. Diet. Their diet primarily consists of seeds, grains, and small insects. In captivity, they can be fed a combination of dove mix, greens, and the occasional treat like millet. 5. Lifespan. With proper care, diamond doves can live for up to 15 years, which is quite impressive for a bird of their size. 6. Behavior. These doves are known for their gentle and docile nature. They are relatively easy to tame and can make great pets for those looking for a smaller bird species. 7. Vocalization. Diamond doves produce soft and melodious cooing sounds, which can be quite soothing to listen to. 8. Breeding. They are known for their courtship displays, which involve bobbing their heads, puffing up their feathers, and vocalizing. They typically lay small, white eggs, and both parents take part in incubation and caring for the young. 9. Aviary birds. Diamond doves are commonly kept in aviaries and as pets. They are well suited for those who have limited space but still want the joy of having birds. 10. Conservation. They are not considered endangered, and their populations are stable in the wild. However, it's essential to ensure that any diamond doves kept as pets are sourced responsibly. These sweet, little doves are admired for their beauty, gentle disposition, and their ability to brighten up the lives of bird enthusiasts and pet owners alike. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.